crazy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been very inconsistent and I apologize for that, but I thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. I know I said that so ugly. 2,000 subscribers! I promise from here on out we are going to be producing nothing but consistent content, PR packages, vlogs, tutorials, whatever y'all want. Comment, let me know. Let's get interactive. But alright, let's get straight into the video. As you guys could tell by the description, this is a brow tutorial. It's been highly requested by all y'all in my comments. Y'all, isn't my model so adorable? Just look at her. Alright, so let's jump straight into the video. Grabbing my Shea Beauty Retractable Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the color Chocolate, flipping that over and using the spoolie end to brush up both of her brows. Once I finish that, I flip the pencil back over and begin outlining the top of her arch. I like to start with the top when the brow shape is more defined because the bottom really doesn't need that much more outlining and defining. So in other words, fill in all the emptiest areas of the eyebrows first and then go in and then redefine using that same pencil. When you do fill in your eyebrows, I always recommend hair-like strokes instead of just going in and filling it in like a drawing, because you don't want your eyebrows to come out harsh. You want them to come out natural but still pop. And make sure to take your time and be precise. Go back in and everything with your eyebrows, because your eyebrows is the first thing people see when you do your face. And you don't want nobody coming at you crazy, you feel me? And don't forget to add your little hairs to the beginning of the brow. Then you want to mimic these steps on the next brow. Once you properly outlined, filled in, and brushed out both brows, you can now grab your concealer and flat brush. The flat brush and concealer I'm using today are both also from Shea Beauty. The brush is the Artist Concealer brush, and the concealer is Cappuccino 54. It is not yet out, but when it is, y'all gonna know. Here's a better angle. With your fully saturated flat brush and your concealer, you're going to line up the top of your flat brush with the bottom of your eyebrows, after of course brushing up all the eyebrow hairs. And pretty much take your time to slowly outline, glide the pencil on the skin, and not making any interactions with any of the hairs. Now you see me pulling down the excess concealer and blending that out with a Real Technique setting brush. And lastly, we're going to clean up the top of both her brows using not only that same concealer color, but also her foundation shades mixed. And y'all, remember, there is no perfect way to do makeup. I don't care what nobody tell you. So if you want to hold the pencil backwards, if you want to hold the pencil sideways, if you want to hold the pencil upside down, you can. As long as you're doing it to your liking, makeup is really how you want it. Remember that, please. Once you finish that, go back in with your Real Technique setting brush and blend all of that product out on the top of the forehead, downwards or sideways. And look, y'all, now you got 2-5 brows. We'll be teaching the final look in the next video, the full final look in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Shea Beauty products will be restocking soon. And I just want to thank y'all for the love and everything. God, thank y'all. Stay blessed, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.